Hey guys, it's Dimo from Dimostech, and today we are going to install the ESR camera lens protector for our Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now, we have lots of cameras here, and as you can see, they can get really dirty. For that, we have that thing, and it should be pretty easy to install, at least from what I've seen. Let's see. Basically, I don't want to really protect the phone and the cameras from any breaks or damage like that. I don't think that might happen to the cameras first before our parts of the phone. The problem is the dust. That's the problem. So we have here probably some cloth. That's quite nice. Yeah, this is a cleaning kit. Okay, so we'll leave it like that. And we have some installation guide, which should be pretty much simple. And let me read for you: align and place on two lenses, press each lens individually to affix. That's pretty much it. Very simple, very easy to install. For that, we are going to take our Ultra from our case. The case is, by the way, the spigot. And just so we won't damage the phone, let's do it like that. Yeah, we have an orange cloth now. And no, it's not branded or anything, I just love orange, and we have an orange glove. So, let's see what we have at that cleaning kit, because I don't think there is anything important, but just in case there is, let's open it. Oh my, that's really harsh to open. Okay, finally. And yeah, I think we have another cleaning cloth here. Yeah, we can use that. And oh yeah, that's a dust remover sticker. Okay, so let's go ahead and do installation. So first of all, we will clean with the wet one. Going to clean it really good because the phone was in use for more than a week, I guess, without any protection, without even a case. Yeah, I know it's dangerous, but I had to use the new phone and couldn't use already the old one. I had enough. It's not that I had enough, but come on, it's time to move on. Okay, I'm going to make it as clean as possible, and yeah, it seems clean. Let's leave it like that, just in case that any dust will get in there. And now we need to figure out how do we open that box, because it seems like it's a box, but yeah, the two-sided. Okay, what the heck is that? I think it's a remover. In case you want to remove them, I think that's what it is. Right, lens mask tool there. I don't know what it is, honestly. I didn't see that thing used here anywhere. So basically, this is our protection. Let's see. And basically, we pull that off. We put it in place, press on each lens, then just remove the plastic, and that's pretty much it. Camera lens protector. So yeah, I guess let's start and do that. I'm going to try to do it as fast and clean as possible. I don't want any dust to get there. And we have already one lens. Where did it fall from? We have two lenses. Oh, okay, that wasn't good at all. We somehow have two fallen lenses here. Okay, so let me try to quickly get them in place. And like that. Let's hope that they will not fall this time. Okay. Okay, finally. So we do need to press on them firmly, and hopefully they will get really good attachment. And that's it. Pretty much easy installation if they do not fall. Now I'm afraid to actually remove it, but that's exactly what we are supposed to do. So we are going to try and remove it, yeah. And that's it. We have our lens protection on. And if we'll try to look closely, it makes them a little bit maybe bulkier, but nothing too much. Now they seem to, yeah, they are in place, everything is pretty good. Let's see if the case fits, because if not, yeah, it will be a bad thing. And the case fits perfectly. Everything is well. Now, in terms of the cameras, if we'll enter to the camera, we can see pretty much everything really well. No problems at all. Well, the 10X cannot focus so close, but if I do this, yeah, that's okay. Okay, that's a pretty cool photo. Anyways, that's it. This was the ESR camera lens protector. Cool thing, and hopefully it will protect the lenses. So, yep, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching this Tech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.